I'm quite open-minded, and I love new stuff, and I kept getting called to EFT, so I was really excited to actually start it. A aha moment for me was learning about your belief system. So I didn't really realise how much we make up beliefs, usually from a younger age, and really delving into them has helped me massively and completely changed my life so far. From the minute you walk in, you feel completely relaxed, safe. The people that are on here on this course are also amazing, and we do this really nice share your own lunch thing, which is like a massive highlight because everyone brings in amazing food. We all sit around like a little family, and it's lush. I love it. The trainers are very lovely. I said before when we gave feedback that this is the first time I've ever come to a course and actually fully taken everything in and gone away and been able to speak it fluently. So yeah, I really love them both. Anybody thinking of coming on the course, I highly recommend it. I think that even if it's just for yourself, not even to go on to be a practitioner, even just to learn these skills for yourself is really important.